as a Chief Observer of the Students' Council election of RPS Pali 2024. I am handing over to the Chief Election Commissioner of Rainbow Public School the results of the head boy, head girl and various other posts like cultural posts, arts and assembly posts. And we have very well with all the democratic values, and on this auspicious day of Independence Day, which we are celebrating, I am handing over to both our Chief Election Officers of RPS the results of the Students' Council election. Thank you.
Hello students, this is Rainbow Public School, and today 15 August, as we have promised that counting will be done, what the moment you were waiting for and you were keep asking that sir when voting result will come, we are here with Honorable Principal Sir, Director Sir, and this is the result. Submission time to Honorable Sir. In the form of Honorable, I would request Honorable Rajesh Sir, you can see the result is ready and the individual sheet of totals and everything is ready. So here the moments, the submission of Student Council election result with respect to the Student Council. All the best student, all the best, all the leader, would-be leader, congratulations in advance, but still the surprise is new. The announcement will be, for announcement you have to wait for the next information.
Yes, very good morning to all dear students, our viewers. I am Rajiv Arya, and I would like to tell you all that on this auspicious day of Independence Day, which our country and we all are celebrating with full proud zeal and enthusiasm, I am going to here tell you about the Students' Council Elections 2024 in Rainbow Public School, Pali. In our school, with the complete democratic values and ethos, we have tried to conduct it in a free and fair manner with the help of my coordinating committee and my members. I would like to introduce first of all Praveen sir, Ritu Rajawat ma'am and Rahul sir. So what we did first, there was an announcement to the students about the upcoming Students' Council election for various posts like head boy, head girl, sports captain, technical captain and various other etc. posts. So first we did the announcement, then there was a date in which the dates was told, the released. The nomination forms, the second step was the nomination forms which was provided to the candidates who were supposed to stand in the elections. The third procedure will be told by Rahul.
So, the India is known for democracy and RPS is following democracy. To inculcate the values of political, fundamental and democratic values to among our students, we have kept complete election process democratic wise. As sir told already that yes, nomination form was introduced, students were supposed to go with the nomination form and all the details. Even they have just gone with their promises, their post, what will be their goals, how they will manage the student council and the propaganda. So all things they have just done a nomination form, and even in spite of that they have given nomination form plus their videos in that they have narrated very well that what they are going on the post. After that we have just gone with the one day exclusively for polling. In that 6 to 12 students very excellently they have just participated in the polling process, and now all you were waiting for the complete counting, and today it was luckily coincidence that day that we have just gone with the counting of that, and now counting is being done. Only one, everybody is waiting for announcement, that will be said later on, but with me counting experts is there in the form of counting committee, Ritu ma'am and Praveen sir, who had done the counting.
We are both in counting committee and count all the votes and hand over to results by the Chief Commissioner, and thank you.
Thank you. And students, for your kind information, in counting committee, not these two, your all teachers were there and everybody's brain was there in counting. After counting, we have gone with the cross-checking. After cross-checking, we have just gone with the cross-telling, and then complete pan down of each and every candidate's bite by bite votes, and finally the result is there. So congratulations, and wait for your turns that you won, you lost. Very soon it will be told by the management, Honorable Principal Sir and Honorable Director Sir. We will give this information also that when the announcement of result by tomorrow, that is 16 August. Thank you very much. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
11, 1 and 14.
हाँ सर वतन गोपाल की 8, 12, 15 और 7 श्रीपाल
3, 21,
7 15, 10, 14, 13, 16, 1, 20, 1, 15, 15, 11, 6, 1, 36,
33,